Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to create a new asset using the Asset Naming Assistant. In this video, we'll cover how to manage existing assets, specifically how to edit them and how to work with tags to organize your assets more effectively. Let's begin by editing an existing asset. Click on the Create Edit button from the Asset module. Navigate to the Edit Asset tab. From the drop-down menu, select the asset type you want to edit. If you're searching for emails in Marketo, you can enter either the exact or a partial asset name. For all other asset types, you'll need to enter the exact asset name. Now enter the asset name for the selected asset type in the search box, and click Search. When your asset appears in the results, select it. You can now make necessary changes to it. Once you've made your edits, click Save Changes to Form. Click on OK. Now let's learn how to assign tags while editing an asset. Click on the Assign Tags button. You can choose an existing tag or create a new one. Let's create new tag by clicking on Create New Tag. Enter the desired tag name in the text box. Click Save, then confirm by clicking OK. Now, select the newly created tag from the list. Click Save to assign the tag. Again, click Save Changes to Form. Confirm by clicking on OK. Click the home icon to return to the main screen and view your recently edited asset. You can also edit assets directly from the Recently Created Assets section. The Search Asset Naming Assets tab shows a list of assets that have been recently created by all ANA users. To filter and view only your own assets, select My Assets from the drop-down menu. Click on the asset you'd like to edit. Make the required changes. Click Save Changes to Email. Click OK to confirm. Return to the home screen by clicking the home icon. You can also edit the asset from the Search Marketo Assets tab, which allows you to search for assets in Marketo. Select the asset type and enter the asset name in the search field. From the search results, click on the asset you want to update. Once the asset opens, make the necessary edits and click on Save Changes button. Confirm by clicking OK. Now let's talk about tags, a helpful way to categorize and track your assets. To create a new tag, start from the Asset module and click the Create or Edit Asset button. Navigate to Tags tab. Click Create New. Enter a name for your new tag, and hit Save. Click on OK. Return to the home page. To assign a tag to an asset, navigate to the asset you want to tag. Click on Assign Tags. Choose the relevant tags from the list. And click on Save. Select Save Changes to Form to apply the selected tags to the form. Click on OK. To verify the assets linked to the tags, navigate to the Tags tab. Find and expand the tag you want to review. This view will show all the assets associated with that tag. That's it. You've now learned how to edit existing assets and manage tags in Asset Naming Assistant.